everyone, welcome to DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia. My name is Joanna and I am a marketing manager working here at SoftBank Telecom Europe. Each year, the arrival of the cherry blossoms marks the beginning of the new year in Japan, and it is a time when many people head outside to enjoy the beauty of pink and white flowers. It also creates a very unique opportunity for marketers to tap into the Sakura fever and create campaigns that resonate with the public. In today's video, we will have a look at this very unique time of the year in Japan and discuss the examples of how brands have been using the Sakura in their marketing campaigns. But before we go, as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and keep on watching this video. Are you ready? Let's go! Sakura season is when Japan gets covered with beautiful pink and white flowers. It usually starts at the end of March and lasts all the way until the beginning of May. And one way for companies to use this very unique time of the year is to create products and services that directly relate to the cherry blossoms. For example, a clothing company can release a new line of clothes that are pink or feature a cherry blossom pattern, and a food company or a restaurant can release a limited time only Sakura flavored food items or drinks. Additionally, many companies tie their products to Sakura by creating special Sakura themed packaging. For example, a car company can feature a Sakura branch in their ads, or a beauty or skincare company can use the cherry blossom petals to decorate their packaging. Another way for companies to take advantage of the Sakura season is by hosting parties and events. Hanami, which are the cherry blossom viewing parties or picnics, or Sakura-themed photography competitions are a common thing during this time. These events can be a great way to create a sense of community and also generate a positive buzz around the brand. Social media campaigns are a great way to tap into the Sakura season. Companies can use special hashtags or encourage customers to share their own pictures and experiences that are related to the cherry blossoms. By getting involved in this way, brands can create shared connection with their customers and be a part of this Sakura experience. However, it is very important to remember that Sakura and cherry blossoms have a very deep cultural significance in Japan, and all of the marketers should treat this subject with respect and sensitivity. And now let's have a look at some brands that used Sakura in their marketing in the past. And the first one I wanted to talk about is the electronics company that I'm sure everybody knows, Panasonic. Every spring, Panasonic, they run a marketing campaign that features beautiful images of Sakura flowers, along with a tagline, "Enjoy the beauty of Sakura with Panasonic." They often use this imagery in their TV commercials or on billboards or even printed ads, showcasing their products, for example, digital cameras or TV sets, in the context of the cherry blossom festivals, emphasizing how their products can help people capture and enjoy the beauty of Sakura. Another example is Japanese Airlines, JAL, and they run Sakura-themed promotions for flight tickets to Japan. They usually launch their campaigns in January, which is the time many people start already planning for Hanami, and they are providing loads of offers that can go along with the tickets. Another brand I wanted to talk about is the confectionery brand, one of the biggest in Japan. It's called Meiji. They annually release a Sakura-flavored version of their popular chocolate snack. The packaging features pink and white colors, which are often associated with the cherry blossoms, and it also includes images of cherry blossom branches. Lastly, retail brand Uniqlo, that I think is well known around the world. They also run a Sakura-themed campaigns, and they release a special Sakura-themed clothing line every spring. The collection of clothing typically features pink and white colors and designs inspired by the Japanese cherry blossoms. And of course, we cannot forget about Starbucks. Even though Starbucks is an American coffee chain, it is very popular in Japan. We did a video about how Starbucks marketed themselves in Japan to become so popular, and you can check this video here. I'm going to link it, so make sure to check this out. And yeah, they frequently, every year Starbucks uses sakura and sakura images and just sakura theme to run marketing campaigns in spring. So one way Starbucks has incorporated sakura into their marketing is by releasing time-limited sakura-themed merchandise, such as tumblers and mugs, during the cherry blossom season. These items are often highly sought after by collectors and fans of the brand. Starbucks also uses sakura to create themed sakura-flavored menus and seasonal drink offerings. Just like we have the pumpkin spice lattes. In Japan, we can find, for example, a sakura blossom latte, which is a pink latte topped with whipped cream and cherry blossom flavored drizzle. Those drinks are usually only available for a limited time, usually during the spring season, which helps to generate a sense of exclusivity and urgency for customers. In addition to using sakura in their products and promotions, Starbucks also utilizes the cherry blossoms as a part of their store design. Some Starbucks locations feature cherry blossom trees and other sakura-inspired decor, which helps to create a unique and memorable atmosphere for customers. I think it is safe to say that Starbucks has very effectively used the sakura imagery and has a deep understanding of the sakura's significance in the Japanese culture. And yeah, as I said, they use it to create this sense of exclusivity and also urgency, because many promotions they run are very time limited. So if you miss it during this time, you're gonna have to wait another year to be able to get it. Frequently, those promotions also evoke those feelings of nostalgia and simply the appreciation of the beauty of life. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you could learn something new about the phenomenon of sakura, the Japanese cherry blossoms, in marketing. You can also understand how important it is to incorporate local traditions and unique cultural events into the marketing calendars. We have to remember that no market is the same, and in order to become good marketers and create successful marketing campaigns, we should always incorporate local customs and traditions into the marketing calendars. DMFA, Digital Marketing for Asia, is a part of the SoftBank family, and we provide digital marketing services for Japan and the APAC region. We have an extensive partner network and are able to support businesses with all of their digital marketing needs, from social media to search engine ads, payment system implementation, website localization, and more. If you need any help with creating a successful marketing calendar for Japan that, for example, includes the Sakura season, our bilingual Japanese and English digital marketing experts will be able to support you and your brand to further grow in Japan. Make sure to get in touch with us so we can schedule a free consultation with one of our experts to discuss the ways of how can we support you and your brand to further grow in Japan. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to put on the notification bell. We post a new video every Monday. And yeah, that's it for today. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!